Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming account credentials and server type because correct settings let messages sync reliably. Once confirmed, open Outlook and choose Add Account. Enter your email, password, and select Exchange or a map. Make sure to allow permissions if prompted so calendar and contacts sync too. If automatic detection fails, switch to manual setup and enter incoming and outgoing server addresses. This immediate action prevents later sync errors and gets you to the inbox fast. Once your account is added, tailor syncing and organization so Outlook works for you. Go to Settings to set sync frequency and select which folders to mirror offline. This saves bandwidth and speed search. Create rules that move, flag, or categorize mail automatically. This reduces inbox clutter and surfaces priority messages. Configure a default signature and automatic replies for out of office. Make sure Focused Inbox is enabled or disabled based on preference, because that determines what you see first. To finish, send a test email with a small attachment to confirm outgoing settings and check the sent and inbox for arrival. This verifies both directions. If mail fails, restart Outlook, re-enter your password, and confirm server ports and encryption types. Often a credential or port mismatch causes the issue. Make sure you back up your PSD or enable built-in sync and turn on multi-factor authentication for security. If problems persist, remove and re-add the account to reset configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.